Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Photoshop, and this is Hezra. Alright, so someone asked me how can we able to rotate this whole layer, because he saw from another tutorial a photo editor or an artist who is doing digital painting rotating his canvas or his whole layer. So why are they rotating their layers? So the reason why they're rotating it, because in order for them to see a good angle and also to see the mistakes that needs to be changed. Alright, so that's why they are rotating it. So thank you for that question. How can we able to rotate this whole layer? So the answer for that question is just click your hand tool, or just click the right click. You need to right click the hand tool, and after right click you can see the rotate view tool. Alright, so you can also press letter R from your keyboard on your keyboard, and that's the shortcut for this rotate view tool. Alright, so now we can rotate the the layer using this one. Using this tool. Alright, so if I will click the layer, a compass will suddenly appear from your screen or on your screen. Alright, so if I will move it to the right, it will suddenly move from the right to the left, to the left to the right, from the bottom to the top. Alright, so this is the tool that they've been using to rotate. So hopefully that I answered your question. So all you need to do is use the rotate view tool. Alright, so if you have any questions, just leave a comment. Thank you for watching.